this morning. I was panicking. Okay, Pinkish, take it away. Thank you so much.
Hi,
Hi.
good evening, Becky ma'am, Larry sir, and Suzanne ma'am. Essential oils and sleep. Using essential oils to promote a good night's sleep. With the use of essential oils, you can have a good sleep and a nice mood. Sleep deprivation can influence our ability to lose the weight or maintain the healthy weight, emotions and behaviors, learning and motivations, the body organ systems, and overall health. Reaction time and ability to drive safely, car crashes, loss of cognitive function. Due to sleep, you can have many of your illness in your body, and with the oils, you can just change your lifestyle and the sleep, and you can sleep in a good mood. Sleep deprivation can be costly, creates brain defects, loss of memory, poor work performance, problems with mood, dep- depressions, problems with relationship, tax the immune system, high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and more. These are some of the illness which can be created in your body due to sleep deprivation. The biggest problem is the stress. One effect of stress is that can cause the sleep deprivation, frequently being in a heightened state of alertness can be delay on onset of sleep and cause rapid and anxious thoughts of to occur at night. Insufficient sleep can then cause further stress. Due to stress, the sleep can be disturbed and you can get uh, more and more thoughts, and you cannot sleep due to this big stress. Sleep hygiene really is part, party the art of healthy sleep. Get on a schedule, exercise regularly, get some natural sunlight, make your room dark, put the digital device and the screen away, turn the clock away. To get a hygiene sleep, you have to schedule your work, exercise regular, get some natural sunlight, and these are some of the tips given here. Then avoid caffeine and alcohol, remove distractions, practice mindfulness and meditation, try heavy blankets, keep your room cool and comfortable. For a healthy sleep, you have to avoid caffeine and alcohol, then practice a mindful meditation, try heavy blanket and keep your room cool and comfortable. And of course, use of essential oil is very much now in our daily life because our life routine is very disturbed due to this pandemic. And with the essential oils, you can go in a very comfortable life. What is an essential oil? Natural aromatic compounds found in the plants, steam distills or cold pressure extractions, powerful, safe benefits without side effects. This is one of the clip given here. It is a peppermint leaf and there are oil sacs on the peppermint leaf. You can see this oil sacs is given on that. What is the science behind the essential oil and the sleep? The science behind the essential oil and the sleep is that inhaling an essential oil can induct an internal response within the body of relaxation. While inhaling the oil, any type of oil which you can inhale, you can get a very pure breath inside your body, and you can experience what difference you can get in your body due to inhaling. Then second is positive association. After a restful night of sleep, the aroma has now created a positive association within the brain. After that positive association, the brain gets react after inhaling it. Then the third is the sleep. This internal response can encourage a restful sleep, night of sleep. Fourth is repeat. Positive association promotes further use of essential oils as the part of healthy sleep and routine. Aromatically and aromatherapy. Aromatherapy activates the area in the your nose called smell receptors, which send the message through your nervous system to your brain. When you inhale the oil through nose, the reactors of the smell gets your nervous system in your brains to your brains. The oil may active certain areas of your brain like your limbic system, which plays a role in your emotions. They could also have impact on your hypothalamus, which may respond to the oil by creating feeling good brains. Chemicals like serotonin means when you smell the oil, inhale the oil through your nose, your certain parts in the brain gets active like limbic system, which is plays a big role of emotions. You get sometimes happy emotions, sad emotions. The emotions are different types of emotions given in the our body. Now this is the chart for of your feet topically and reflexology. When you put some essential oils on your skin, they cause a response in your skin and other parts of the body, like your joints, to relax and create a calm sensation. I am also applying the oil to the feet, that is serenity oil. Whenever after taking my bath, when I'm going to sleep, I just rub through my feet and I get a good sleep and nice sleep. Rub a few drops on certain parts of the body such as chest, wrist, neck, forehead, hands, and feet. I also use different types of oils, which is On Guard, which I am using now. Then I have one for mood, and one I have the lemon. Lemon I'm drinking in the water internally. Internally, you can take the oils internally, but only CPTC oils you can take internally, not all the oils. Take internally to calm the nervous system, promote relaxation, and lead a restful sleep. You can add 2 or 4 drops of lavender or bergamot essential oil to herbs, teas like chamomile or lemongrass about 30 minutes before going to bed. Alternately, when you are not in the mood for the warm drink, simply add 2 or 4 drops of lavender into empty capsule and swallow it. Please note, only CPTC oils you can take internally. Many essential oils can help with sleep. Consider root cause. Our main in our body, the root cause, if you use your oil through root cause, it is going to react your body fast, and all the illness or in our body are created by root cause only. So we have to treat the root cause naturally by the oils. Natural produces, meets body needs, and body heals itself. Say as like angry. For these are some of the oils which can be used for the root cause. In angry, you can use lang lang, spinacard, forgive, turmeric, and fast tense. In anxiousness, you can use adaptive, neuralin, console, serenity, and lavender peace. Grieving, you can use breathe, deep blue, Garmin lime, ylang, aroma touch, console, and forgiveness. For stressed, you can use adaptive, aroma touch, basil, enochine, yanglang, serenity. That is for lavender peace also. For worried, you can use wild orange, tangerine, sandalwood, Telenotron, Amaranth Touch, Evaluation, and Adaptive. You can just take a screenshot of this and keep, and you can use this oils as per your illness. Many essential oils can help with sleep. As just discussed in the before slide, there were some oils. In this also, there are the oils which can be used with sleep. You can take this screenshot also and keep with you. And if you have this oil, you can just try it once. Serenity and lavender peace. They are simple sleep oils. Serenity and lavender peace both are the same oils, but only the names are different. Serenity or lavender peace is known as the calming blend. It promotes deep relaxation and restful sleep environment. As there are the ingredients given in the screen, lavender flower, cedarwood, wood leaf, ylang flower, marjoram leaf, Roman commonwealth flower, veteran root, Valina bean, absolute and Hawaii sandalwood. I am using this Serenity personally, and just now I have made oil for diabetic, and in that also I have used Serenity and lavender peace. doTERRA Serenity Lavender Peace is the restful blend. It promotes relaxation and restful sleeping environment. Lessness feeling of tensions, calm emotional and smoothness. Use datura Serenity restful blends to create a restful sleeping environment by placing a few drops in the essential oil of diffuser, applying to the chest, bottom of the feet, back of the neck, inhaling directly from the palms. Adding a few drops to the warm bath before bed, using in conjunction with doTERRA Serenity. These are the use which the oil you can use as per your requirements. doTERRA Balance Grounding Blend. It is a grounding blend. Promotes the whole body sense of relaxation, evokes feelings and tranquility and balance. Use doTERRA Balance to promote a restful environment by adding a few drops to the diffuser, applying to the neck or the bottom of the feet, used during the massage before bed. Next slide, madam. doTERRA Breathe. This is a respiratory blend, maintains feelings of clear airways, promotes a restful night sleep. Use of doTERRA breath to promote quality sleep by applying it topically to the chest, back, and the bottom of the feet and diffusing at the night. How to use doTERRA products for sleeping and relaxation. This you can use it in warm teas, non-caffeinated, non-stimulatory herbs teas, Add essential oils, chamomile, bergamot, lavender, and honey and lemon. These are the oils which you can use with warm teas. It is very good. How to use essential oils to promote healthy sleep? By diffusion, warm bath or shower, pillow and bedding, heat pad or neck wrap, topically application and massage. And you can use it in tea. Diffusers, doTERRA's petal. There are many diffusers in the market. You get it. You can get it from India also, Chinese brand also. Many diffusers are there. But doTERRA diffuser is one of the product which is in quality standard very good, and it simple usage is three-piece diffuser. It is very easy and convenient. Multiple time settings, and then optional light settings, and dispersion, that is ultra fine mist. It can reach up to 30 minutes. Nowadays, when I bought one diffuser from Amazon, when I used it, it worked for 2 3 days very good. But unfortunately, on the seventh or eighth day, it got bursted. I got afraid at night. Then I saw that the it got short circuit and the diffuser was totally burned. So before buying any diffusers, you have a look for doTERRA diffuser once. Think in the mind. Relaxing diffuser blends. For relaxing diffuser blends, you can use 3 drops of sandalwood, 3 drops of vetiver, 3 drops of lavender, 2 drops of romanicum. By using this, your mood will definitely change and you will have a happy mood. There are 4 drops of lavender, 3 drops of bergamot, 2 drops of patchouli, and 2 drops of lang lang. For warm bath and showers, while you have a warm bath or shower, you can add a few drops for flaming oil to a warm bath for bed before. Add essential oil to Epsom salt and pour into warm bath. Place few drops of essential oil of their choice on the shower floor away from running water. Add essential oil to your shampoo or conditioner. If if you have any dandruff or something, you can just add it in your shampoos and conditioner and you can just use it. Pillows and beddings. Before sleep, you can just add a few drops of calming essential oils to a spray bottle and mix it with few ounces of water. Use the spray bottle to spread the mixture over the pillow and bedding before going to sleep. This will create a restful environment. Lavender plus cedarwood, bergamot of vetini, or sandalwood plus ylang ylang. You can just mix it and just apply to your pillow and the bedding. You'll get a good sleep. Dye heating pad or neck wrap. Materials need, this is a clip in which you are seeing that lady is having a heating pad or a neck wrap over it, and the materials used are kitchen towels, sewing machine, 6 cup of flax seeds or rice, doTERRA essential oils. Direction how to use it. Fold the towel in a half long waist, sew around the edges leaving the 3 inches opening at the top, turn right side out, loosely fill the flax seeds or rice, sew opening closes and you're done. To use microwave for 2 or 3 minutes to add 2 drops of essential oil in the outer fabric. And after doing these directions, you can just use this as a neck wrap or a heating pad. Topically applications and massage. Bottoms of the feet, neck and the shoulder, temples, wrist, massage shoulders, arms, back and leg feet. Applying this oils in this form, you will get a restful sleep and your body will full be relaxed. Now, what are the top health priorities? This is a form given. You have to just feel that I want to feel less so and so and I want to feel more so and so. After that, you will get why are these priorities for you. After that, you can choose your oil and go through and use the oil, and you will see that effect will give you naturally what want you what you want to feel less, you will feel less, and what you want to feel more, you will feel more. Choose the best way to get started. There are three ways: retail, wholesale, and wellness educate. Order through the wellness retail, order through your wellness educate, and wholesale you get 25% below the retail. Membership is free and with any enrollment kit plus LRP benefits. In Wellness Educate, you get 25% plus LRP benefits and earn an income sharing with the others. There are just few options for kids: introductory kit, my first kit, starter kit, and there are three more kits. Next slide, ma'am. Basic kit, family essential kit, home essential kit. There are six options for kits. You can buy any one kit with the membership, and you can be a wellness educate. And after that, you can make many more members. This is an LRP chart. Commonly in our all the classes, we are educated with this chart to everybody, and you must be all familiar with this chart. Then also once I'll again repeat it. In LRP chart, in the first 1 to 3 months, you get 10% discount, and 4 to 6 months you get 15%, 7 to 9 months you get 20%, 10 to 12 months you get 25%, and in 13 months plus you get 30%. Maximize the loyalty reward programs. For for this LRP, you have to maintain your loyalty reward points. You have to get one PV point every month, minimum one PV point, and maximum you can get up to 200. After that, you can earn loyalty reward points and increase percentage. Then you can earn commissions. Then you can participate in the product of the month and participate in the product promotions. March team promotions. In this March, you have a team promotion again that you place an order for 125 PV LRP order before by March 15, then you will receive 10 to 4 to 10 ml doTERRA roller bottles and 4 spray bottles. Then enroll 2 people with 100 PV plus orders in March and you will receive doTERRA logo water bottle. To get started, contact the person who invited you with the full name, complete shipping address, phone number, email, your date of birth, copy of Indian ID, kit options, products, payment information, enroller, sponsorer, and LRP option. That is optional. Who is ready for a great night's sleep?
That is so great, Pinkish. You did an amazing job. Do we have any questions, Suzanne?
We did not have any questions directly. We had, I was writing in things along the way, and we had questions about shipping, lots of comments on the beautiful slides. Pinkesh, you did a fabulous job teaching
I
all
was
those things.
totally nervous.
Yes, you do. You know that